Hello and welcome to Vision Academy. My name is Hanmant Ladwa and in this video we are going to write a C program to find the length of a given string. Let us write the preprocessor directives. Hash include, in angular brace we'll write standard input output .h header file. The next preprocessor directive is hash include, in angular brace we'll write console input output .h header file, and the third preprocessor directive is hash include, in angular brace I'm going to write string.h header file, because here we are using built-in function to find the length of the given string. So that inbuilt function is present in string.h header file. So that's the reason we have to include this particular header file. Now we are going to write void main function curly open brace, and here I'm going to declare a string or array of characters. So s of 20 for example, and now I'm going to declare one more variable called int l. So that is going to hold the length of the string. So here length of the string means the number of characters present in the entered string. Now let us write clr scr function, which is used to clear the screen. Now let us ask the user to enter the string using printf statement. In a double quotation mark I'm going to write enter the string, end the double quotation mark and put semicolon. Now we are going to receive the string using getS function. Here we are going to pass the array of characters, yes, that is string. Next we'll write l, that is length, is equal to, we will use built-in function called strlen, that is string length of this yes. Okay, now we are going to write printf statement, and here we will print the length of the string is %d and the double quotation mark, and value will be stored in l. So I'm going to write here l and put semicolon, and here we'll write get ch function and curly closing brace. Now let us take an example. Here I'll write output. Once we compile and run this program, it will ask the user to enter the string. So here I'm going to write enter the string. For example, I'm going to write my name. Here I'll write Hanumant. So here you can easily count how many letters we have: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it has to return 9. So getS, it is received. Next strlen of s. So it is going to return 9 and it is stored in the variable of type integer, that is l. Next printf, it is going to print the length of the string is the length of the string is, and this %d is associated with l. So l is holding 9, so it is going to print 9. So let us run this program. For that I will take you to my laptop screen.
Here you can see I have already written this program in Turbo C++ compiler. To save your time, let us compile this program by pressing Alt F9. Here it is showing success, that means there is no syntax error, and let us run this program by pressing Ctrl F9. Here you can see it is asking the user to enter the string. Now I'm going to enter my name Hanumant and I'll press enter. Here it is printing the length of the string is 9. I hope you understood this program. If so, please write down in the comment box as understood. Thank you.